Namaskar friends, welcome to Export Import Supply Chain Custom, and in this session we will cover the balance activity of the import export job manager job responsibility. Okay, so earlier session we have completed this job responsibility, and in this session we'll cover the balance activity. Okay, so the job responsibility for the assistant manager required by the company is mentioned on the screen. We will try to understand this activity one by one. Okay, so here first activity is prepare the document for daily basis outward remittance. Okay, so these are the document which we need to submit in respect of the payment receiving. Okay, so just you know that as per the Incoterms, payment terms, we need to submit the document just like a document against payment. In such cases, for the shipment we have to submit the set of document which mention the contract. Okay, so daily basis whatever shipment we are doing, we need to prepare the set of document to submitting bank for outward remittance. Okay, here they are talking about outward remittance. Okay, so here the import document need to submit. Okay, I just considering this is the export document because in export ship payment is inward, but here outward, so is the import document. So in import document need to submit the document for the entry of payment receiving to be closed by bank. So the import evidence like a commercial invoice of the supplier, okay, and bill of lading and bill of entry. These are the basic documents need to be submit for the outward remittance. Okay, so we can say the import evidence of import activity. Okay, now next activity is making online insurance for every shipment. Okay, this is the very important activity. In case of export and import, we take some insurance. Okay, so shipment to shipment insurance and open policy insurance, there are some kind of insurance. So your insurance agent will make you understand what is the procedure for making online insurance. Okay, now next one is negotiate with the freight forwarder and custom house agent for the complete price as the market. Okay, so for the every shipment there is no need to take pricing for sending email what is the price, what will the price of the shipment. You can take pricing for monthly basis, quarterly basis, but nowadays you can understand there are the online export rate also be available on the system. Okay, freight forwarder system, so you can check out what is the best price for the exporting the good, and you can appoint your CHA directly on the spot rate. Okay, so there you can get very competitive pricing which will benefit your company and to get objective of the company. Okay, so negotiation with freight forwarder is very important. In some cases the spot price rating or pricing is not good. Okay, pricing is not good because the reason behind that, some cases there are the custom formalities are required for the particular shipment, just like you are exporting some food items, so there are the some custom clearance procedure is different to the general shipment. Okay, so in every shipment you cannot use the spot rate. Okay, now because in such cases you have to you require some specialist freight forwarder and agent. Monthly basis and bank reconciliation, monthly basis bank reconciliation is also important, just like any payment receiving from shipment to shipment. Okay, in case of export, then you have to reconcile the same. Okay, so there is not big thing. Once we receive the payment, we need to bank will intimate us that any payment received from foreign inward. Okay, so as per that particular shipment you need to submit the document. Okay, so some cases what happen, when when you receive the payment, before that your supplier, so your buyer will intimate that we have made this payment. So you will match this payment with that particular invoices and reconcile that. Okay. In some cases, the payment will receive in variance, like some bank charges and other expenses. So you have to confirm with the bank that how many bank charges you have taken and why short payments received. Then you can reconcile the same. Okay, you have to maintain inventory and stock report also for that. Just for the export, you have to check out the what is inventory availabilities in this warehouses. Okay, and what is your future forecasting, and what how many inventory and item need to be ready for the export. Okay, so inward entry and outward entry need to be maintained, and the balance is the inventory stock. Okay, which is called availabilities, available stock. Okay, so dispatch need to be done in the way that how we receive the order, and how many unit we receive the order, and need to check out in the warehouse availability of that. Okay, as in the future forecasting also receive in such that at basis of the particular forecasting you can maintain the your inventory in right way. Now the next one is working with the warehouse team and day by day. Okay, working with warehouse team is very important task which is need to understand. Like once you receive the order, your production team will make good ready for the uh, finished good. Then your warehouse team, you need to send this good to the warehouse for the dispatch. Okay, because that in case of export, some particular location is authorized by the central excise to dispatch good. Okay, so you have to go warehouse and check out where goods are ready or not, and also need to check out whether physical stuffing is doing it right way or not. So check, you can check out containers, and you can check out the team is availabilities before the daily plan. Okay, the team which is very crucial part of the dispatching good and stuffing containers, because that if packing team and loading team and the fumigation team, another team is not available, then your process will not done in right time. Okay, so this warehouse working need to understand is important. Now next one and last of this session is basic inward and outward operations need to understand. What is these operation is belong to import and export. So outward we can say exporting good from one your factory to the buyer, and inward when you receive the shipment from the supplier to your factory. So need to be monitor these operations in such a way that you can handle process accurately. Okay, so basis inward. Okay, now this thing is totally depend on the daily activity. Okay, so once you need to maintain the DSR and daily status report, by that help of the details you can check out and do other activities. Okay, so guys, in this session we have tried to understand the balance activities which is important for the assistant manager job or senior manager jobs in the import export. So guys, we are going to end this session here. Thank you, bye bye. We will meet in next session. Have a nice day.